Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice door bin in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice door bin. This ice door bin is mounted on the left refrigerator door. If the ice door bin won't stay in place anymore because it's broken, replace it without any hesitation. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To replace the ice door bin, all we need to do is push it up. This is the old ice door bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new ice door bin, we're going to bring it in, slide it inside, and push down to lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.